In this video, we're about to go to our next destination. Of course, the damn taxi dropped me off at the wrong airport. And it's always fun when you have to always rescan your bag because of all my equipment that I have. What's your name?
Hello, it's man Tony.
Tony?
Welcome to Vietjet.
That's it. Thank you.
Let's get it.
Danam, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh my God, this is the one thing I be hating about this damn baggage claim. So we got to our hotel. Wow, that's actually nice. What is good to the YouTube damn family? As you can see in the damn description, we are going to Da Nang. I am super hyped because you already know how I feel about Ho Chi Minh. But yeah, we're gonna make the best of every situation. But today, right now, I actually have breakfast, did all my thing right now. I already checked out of the hotel. My flight today is around 5:20. So I'm gonna go around the hotel around like 3 o'clock, then go to the airport early because sometimes the queues be kind of crazy out here. So I wanna go a little bit earlier. But as you know, we are the best travel vloggers in the damn game. We are taking over the scene right now, you know it. So y'all better make sure you follow all the damn social media, Instagram and all the TikTok. Go to the description if you want to learn how to make this money. And don't forget to subscribe because y'all already know how we do over here. So let's go over to the hotel and let's go get our bags. And yo, we're gonna take the bus because if you take like a Grab or like what's it called, like a car, it's coming out to almost like 70,000 dong. But you could take the bus the same amount of distance. 30 minutes is from my hotel and it's only coming out to like 7,000 dong. So yeah, I'm gonna take the bus and then I'm gonna get to the damn airport. All right, so we're minutes away from getting on this damn bus, but yo, I have to show y'all this. Look at this damn bomb me. I don't know what's it called. This right here costing me $1, guys. Yo, I've seen this all over YouTube and they weren't lying when they said you need to try this shit. Oh my God. I swear this shit's so worth it. For $1, literally, can't beat it. Right now, we're gonna make it over to the hotel, go get our bags, get on the bus, go to the airport. Let's get it. Capone, appreciate it. Have a good one. Okay, we got our bags, and now we got a good 45-minute bus ride, something like that. But right now it's 3 o'clock, so I try to go at least 2 hours beforehand. And my flight is at like 5:30, so I should have time. All right, change of plans. We were gonna take the bus, but the bus was taking way too long and my flight is at 5:20, 5:30, so I just ordered a Grab. I think it's like over 100,000 dong, but it doesn't matter. I'd rather get to the airport than miss my flight, so let's get to the airport now. Whenever I book in, I'll let you know. All right, we just arrived. Oh my God, I ain't gonna lie, I knocked out on that damn ride right now. Oh, that was amazing. Now, thank you, Capone. Thank you. Thank you so much, man. What was your name?
Okay.
What was your name?
How?
How?
Okay.
Nice to meet you. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Nice to meet you, man. Have a good one. All right, so now, let's get on this damn plane. I don't even know where the hell I'm going. I'm just like, let's see. Of course, the damn taxi dropped me off at the wrong airport and now I need to go, like, it's not like the wrong airport, but it was the wrong building, and now I just gotta run to the other side to get to Da Nang. So oh my God, a freaking mission. This is why you always come early. I didn't know you had to put your middle name, so now I had to change my ticket and now they charged me $5 to change my damn name, and then I'm paying $15 to check this bag in. Yeah, so a $80 flight just turned into a $100 flight, but it's still cheap. I don't really care. I'm not complaining, but yeah, it's always always something when you get here. So always come early. Oh my God, I be feeling like every time I come here, I be getting anxiety. I'm freaking dripping in sweat over here. It's so damn hot. I wanna just check in, sit down, and relax. I am an hour and a half early, so I know I have time, but yeah, it's always stressful. Man, that was freaking smooth. That was smooth. Yo, I'm still like shocked that they literally charged me like $5, $6 to change my middle name. Like I just put my first and last name and they did charge me $5 for that. And it's always fun when you have to always rescan your bag because of all my equipment that I have. Good, right? Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, always gotta do this. Yeah, YouTuber, I have to. I have so much damn equipment. I always have to double check my damn bag, man. Now I gotta repack this shit. That was actually pretty damn cool. That was actually pretty cool. The security guard was like, yo, you YouTuber? He's like, let me see your channel. Yo, he literally subscribed to me on the damn, like the checkout spot. That's actually pretty cool. All right, now it's number 17, I think, to Da Nang. Oh my God, we're super early, but yeah, I'd rather be early than late. All right, we got through checkout. We got through everything. Now we have to wait for our flight, so I'm gonna edit this video while we're waiting. I literally have an hour, so I can edit like 2 videos, then we get on the plane. And I forgot, like I'm wearing my Vietnam shirt. Like I'm definitely gonna pick up another one in Da Nang, and I'm gonna pick up a Vietnam. I wanna get like the star hat for sure when I get to Da Nang. We are now boarding, and we are about to go to Da Nang. I'm so hyped, super hyped, guys. Travel the world, take a risk. Yo, you know what I realized? All the time I've been taking these damn flights from Asia, we gotta go on a bus, and then that bus takes us to the place where the actual planes are. But in America, you literally just go from here onto the plane. I don't know why it's the extra step, but yeah, we gotta go on this bus and then we get to the plane. Hey, this is crazy. And we go on from the bus, now onto the plane. What's your name?
Hello, it's my name Tony.
Tony?
Welcome to Vietjet.
That's it. Thank you.
Get it.
Da Nang, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, we're on the plane now. This is a 1-hour flight. And yo, as a pro tip, I'm over 6 feet, and I always go and get an aisle seat because yo, as you can see, look at my legs. Like I barely have any room, so when everything is done, you feel me, my leg be coming out here. I want to get the damn, you know, this type of seat here, but I'll be crammed and I can't do it. Always get an aisle seat if you're a tall person. This has to be the best flight ever. When I was at my hotel, I booked this flight and I paid like an extra $2-3 to pick my seat. Look at this. Nobody here. And my guy over here got his own shot too. Bro, when this plane goes up on the air, I'm gonna be laying my ass down right here. Oh, I'm so happy. And just like that, we're in the air. What I told you, bro. And we got the window seat. Best flight so far, hands down. Here, we got here safe. Let's go. Kapon, thank you. Now from here, we gotta go pick up our other check-in luggage. And then from here, we gotta go right over to the hotel. Thank God I booked everything before I even got here. So yeah, I just need to get a Grab and I'm out of here. Oh my God, this is the one thing I be hating about this damn baggage claim. Tell me how I was supposed to be at 3. I was at number 5. And I stood there for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and they're like, this is not the wrong one. But I got my bag, everything is safe. Now let's go get a Grab. As a tip, when you get into the Da Nang area, please walk right past all these taxi drivers and all that. You need to walk over to the Grab section. It comes out a lot cheaper. And yeah, I don't know, I think it's across the street here. Let me ask somebody, but it is close. It's literally not even a 3-minute walk from the airport. This is the place I'm talking about right here, the Grab car pickup point. You want to come over here because again, they're going to try to hustle you every chance they get. And yeah, I'm not getting hustled. And this is what I'm talking about. Right now, I just ordered the Grab. Look how much this costing me. 38,000 dong. Like literally, that's like $1.25, $1.50. Like it's literally nothing. But these damn taxi drivers trying to charge like 100,000 dong. Like the hell on my face. Yeah, you want to get to this section. This is where all the Grab scooters are. And my hotel is really not that far, so I'm just gonna get a scooter. It's a lot easier, and we go from there. I swear, I feel so damn blessed. Oh my God. Who would have ever knew? So we got to our hotel. Wow, that's actually nice. That's pretty nice. Xin chào, xin chào. It's pretty damn nice. So I officially made it over here to Da Nang, and I'm not gonna lie. The room and everything is really, really nice, but you know, as a content creator, I just went downstairs and I don't care if I gotta pay more money or whatever the case is. I want a room with a nice view, a nice big window, so they're actually gonna change my room tomorrow. Yeah, because you know, I want a good view and I want everything to be amazing and spectacular, but I'm just grateful and blessed that I got here safe, and now I'm gonna go get something to eat. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video, and don't forget to follow all the social media. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, my TikTok. Go to the description if you want to learn how to make this money, and don't forget to subscribe, because who else is giving you all this best ass content traveling the damn world? See you guys in the next one.